Well, it was very important for me to have a restaurant here in South Philly because I was born and raised at 10th and Tasker, 3 blocks east of this location. It was important for me to keep the arts locally where I was born and raised. What our menu really consists of is old world traditional stuff, entrees that a lot of restaurants want to get away from. They don't want to make parmesans. I mean, they're not frozen parmesans out of the freezer. These are fresh chicken breasts, filleted, fresh veal from Esposito's. We hand crush every can of Italian tomatoes. No one's going to put all that time into their sauce. The fresh dough we make daily on the premises. Everything's made here from mushroom, peppers. You won't find a can of anything here. The only cans you'll find is the Italian tomatoes that come directly from Italy. I went out and have waiters, people that actually come in here, serve you, and will sing to you. Wednesdays and Thursdays, we have live jazz musicians, 3 instruments or 2 instruments and a vocal. We have an accordion player on Friday nights. We have piano on Saturday and Sundays. Half the staff are trained opera singers. And I can promise you one thing. Here at the High Note Cafe in Franco Luigi's, you will always leave on a high note. No!